Hello, so this video is meant to help you if you're struggling with the assignment for today. Let's look at some practice problems. Determine whether each relation represents a function and explain your reasoning. We're also going to list the domain and range because that's also your assignment for today's assignment. So I'm going to list D and R. All right, so first thing when I get a table, what I'm going to look at is I'm going to see if there's anything repeating. For the domain, and there's nothing repeating, so I'm going to say that yes, this is a function, and I'm going to list out all the numbers on the x value because that's our inputs, and I'm going to list all the numbers on our y values because that's our outputs. I'm going to list 8 one time because it's the only number that's in there, but if when I check your work and you have a number multiple times, it's not a big deal. So good. This is a function. Let's do the next problem. Okay, is this a function? Well, I look at this and I have 8 is 0, and I look here and 8 is 1, and I notice that for 8 the x is always 8, but the y is not always the same number, so no, it's not a function. If you remember yesterday's lesson, the shady bodega, this is shady, right? Like you go in there and it's one time it's 0, another day it's 1, another day it's 2, same item, different price. It doesn't make sense. You're still going to have to list the domain and range. And it's 8 is the domain, and the range is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, is this a function? You see over here this 3. This 3 is our input, and our output are 10 and 11. That means that no, it's not a function. So we're going to say not a function. And for our domain, right, it's just 1, 2, and 3. And for our range, it's 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, the graph we're going to do tomorrow, so we're going to skip it for now. But let's look at the ordered pairs. Let's look at letter E. So for letter E, right, first let's see if it's a function. I look at here I'm going to use a highlighter actually. I'm going to look at just the x's and quickly looking at there's no x's that repeat, so I'm going to say right away it is a function. So yes, this is a function. Okay? And now what I'm going to do is for my domain, I'm going to list all the things that I highlighted. So -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Right? Those are my domains. And I'm going to highlight, let's see if I can change the color. Highlighter. Oh, whoops. I'm going to highlight, highlighter, yeah, see? So the blue highlighter, right, these are my ranges, right? And we don't care if the ranges repeat for it to be a function. We just care that the domains don't repeat. So now let's change back to pen. Let's make it black. So my ranges are 5, remember we're doing this one, 5, 8, 6, and 7. All right. So for today's assignment, all you have to do is identify if the relation is a function and give the domains and ranges for the problem sets. If you have any issues, just send me a message on Teams. Okay, good luck. Bye-bye.